Okay, here's another one of our favorite trailers. This is 11804, and it's a Quailridge 39AKFFL. It's gray with white trim and white windows. I'm going to give you the 1-minute tour. MSRP is just over $63,000. Stainless appliances. It's got a Lazy Susan, fireplace, sectional sofa, extended dormer, big loft, big loft, entertainment center upstairs for the kids, plank linoleum throughout, got a nice bedroom, house type rear entry door, nice big bedroom, Quailridge his and hers wardrobe, entry closet, place to store your vacuum or broom, coat. Gonna go into the bathroom here. That is the glass doors for the shower. So just imagine this with glass doors, window to let any foul air out and the fresh air in. Nice toilet. Really nice trailer. We have a hall pantry, adjustable shelving, Lazy Susan in the kitchen, lots of drawers to pack all your stuff away, 5-burner range, convection microwave, got some pendant lights, a ceiling fan, just overall a nice trailer. This is a Quailridge 39AKFFL. Thanks for looking.